Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can display all the color variants of the product on your collection page. This video is specific for venue theme. If you have any other theme, then I have already published a playlist. I have all the other videos for different themes. So here is the current situation of my store. You can see that on my collection page, I have only displayed single variant for each of the product. So I am interested to display all the color variants, or maybe if you have any other name of the variant, that can also be displayed. So the first step is that you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. Once you are downloading it, you will be getting these 4 files. So you should firstly start with document.txt. You should go to the dashboard of the store. Here you can see I have installed venue theme. You should click on these 3 dots, click on edit code, and here we have some folders and files. The first step is like create a new snippet. Name of that snippet is color-variant. Copy the name from here and then click on snippets, click on add a new snippet and paste it here, then click on done. Next step is create another new snippet, color-product-grid-item. Copy the name from here, click on add a new snippet, paste the name here and then click on done. And then after you should paste the attached code. For color-variant.txt, you should copy this complete code from here and then paste it inside of color-variant.liquid. Then click on save and close this file. Now we have color-product-grid-item. Copy this complete code also and paste it right here and save the changes. Next step is go to sections, open main-collection-product-grid.liquid. You should search here and it will be highlighted here. Inside of it we need to find product-grid-item. Use Ctrl F or maybe Command F, it will be highlighted here. We need to remove this div element first. This is opening tag, this is closing tag, and then after this complete line you need to replace with this line. So I replaced the code and then click on save. So that's it. Now you can refresh this page and see the feature. Here we go. Now you can see that we have all the color variants displaying on this collection page. So that's how you can actually put this feature into your store without having any kind of coding experience. Just copy and paste. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.